Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge. Just here to show you this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee L that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that it has to offer. Starting with, it is equipped with your 3.6 liter Pentastar V6 engine. It is in your Baltic paint finish as well, so pretty cool looking color on these Jeeps. In the back here you do have your backup camera as well as your rear park sensor. You can see your sensors there just across that back bumper. Just to check out some of the storage space in the back here, so you can see decent amount of room back there to keep your bags, gear kind of out of the way while on the go. The Jeep Grand Cherokee L also does have that third row, so you can see those seats are up there. When they're not needed, they can be folded down to add a little bit extra cargo space. Your power lift gate option. So just to check out some of the features inside here. So as I mentioned with that third row, this Jeep can get up to 6 passengers in it. You can see you do have your bucket seats in the second row there. Quite a bit of leg room in there for your passengers to sit quite comfortably. In the back seat, you can fit up to 2 passengers as well. In that second row, you do have access to your climate control options back there, some USB ports just in below. So a few features packed into the second row for your passengers. Up top you do have your power sunroof equipped there. Up front you do have your touchscreen display area, so a lot of great features packed in there. So you do have access to, of course, all your audio media controls built in there. Climate control options are accessible in through there as well. You do have your heated front seats, heated steering wheel, of course your Bluetooth capabilities. Some of these settings for the vehicle in through there, and then your apps. Just below that again you have access to just some of your basic audio media controls, climate controls in through there. In through your center console area you do have your USB ports down in there, your wireless charger as well. You do have your push button start, as you can see up there, so the key fob for the unit right here. Remote start's included, so a great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted control, so you do have access to all your cruise control options. You do have adaptive cruise control equipped as well. Bluetooth, Uconnect capabilities just in on the left hand side. In behind the steering wheel, access to your audio media controls. So you can easily keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But you can see this Jeep Grand Cherokee L has a great blend of features in it. If you're looking for a great everyday vehicle, this could be the option for you. If you have questions about this Jeep, please feel free to give us a call, 780-826-2999.